Hi friends, this is Prakash. Today I have a question from RMO 1993 and the question is given as if A, B, C, D are four positive real numbers such that A into B into C into D is equal to 1, prove that 1 plus A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C into 1 plus D greater than equal to 16. So the solution is like that. As you can see, here there is a greater than equal to symbol. That means it is an inequality expression. And there are multiplication of expressions. That means it's related to AM and GM. That means arithmetic mean and geometrical means. Let us understand the different inequalities and the relation between different kind of means. The relation is like that. RMS greater than equal to AM greater than equal to GM greater than equal to HM. To understand this, let us take two real positive numbers. Let's say X and Y. Real positive numbers. Then RMS is equal to x square plus y square divided by 2 root over. AM is arithmetic mean. That means x plus y divided by 2. GM is geometrical mean. That is x into y square root. And the last one is harmonic mean, HM. That is 2 by 1 by x plus 1 by y. And the relation between these means is already mentioned here. Now let us solve this question. Here we will take AM greater than equal to GM. Using this inequality, we can solve this question. We can prove this. So taking 1 and A as two quantities, two constant, we can write 1 plus A by 2 greater than equal to 1 into A root over. Let's say it's inequality number 1. Similarly, taking 1 and B, we can write 1 plus B by 2 greater than equal to 1 into B root over. You can write 2. For 1 and C, 1 plus C by 2 greater than equal to 1 into C square root. let's say this is 3, inequality number 3. And the last one is one and d. We can write 1 plus d by 2 greater than equal to 1 into d square root. This is 4. What we will do, we will multiply all the inequality. We will multiply all the 4 inequalities, and we get 1 plus a by 2 into 1 plus b by 2 into 1 plus c by 2 into 1 plus d by 2 greater than equal to a, b, c, d square root. In this question, we can see it is given as a, b, c, d is equal to 1. So we can put this in this inequality. So this expression becomes 1 plus a into 1 plus b into 1 plus c into 1 plus d divided by 16 greater than equal to 1. So final expression become 1 plus a into 1 plus b into 1 plus c into 1 plus d greater than equal to 16. Hence, this is the final expression that we needed to prove. Thank you very much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. You can find me at Facebook at LearnQuipo, and I'll come with a new question in the next video. Till then, take care.